What's up, stock family? I hope everybody's doing good out there, and I hope you're all having a good weekend. This is not financial advice. This is just my humble, honest opinion. And you know I'm going to keep it real with you and jump straight into it. So, should I buy AMC right now? Should you buy it? Well, whenever I think about a stock, should I buy a stock? What type of value is it at right now? Is it overvalued or is it undervalued? Is it cheap or is it a little bit expensive, or is it right, just right at the right price where it's not too expensive? Whenever I look at an expensive stock, generally more than $10, more than $15, that'd be a little bit expensive for me. So anything less than that, anything under $5 is considered a penny stock. So generally that would be considered cheap. Now, AMC, whenever you look at it, should I buy this? Well, what's going on with it? Is there a turnaround story? Do the numbers look good? Is there a high volume? Is there a lot of interest in the stock? What's my return on value? Well, the revenue grew by 15.6% compared to the last quarter. So 1.3 milli. Net income, 8.6 million compared to a net loss of 121 million. That to me would be a turnaround, or at least the start of a turnaround. I know a lot of people are going to say it's not, but they're coming out with a lot of new stuff. They've got the popcorn, they've got the Taylor Swift tickets coming. So to me, in my mind, that's signaling that they are turning things around. And then when you look at the numbers, operating cash generated 99 million, an improvement of 47 million. Taylor Swift concert tickets, I believe, generated almost that amount. So that number is going to be bigger come earnings here in another month. So whenever I look at it, you have to go back and look at the quarterly results, and the numbers are there. In my eyes, this is my opinion. So whenever I'm looking at a stock, should I invest in it? If it's undervalued, that's generally the type of companies that I like to invest in. AMC is sitting at 95% short interest on Fidelity, and I expect that number to increase come Tuesday. Monday, when the numbers come out, they probably won't reflect until Tuesday. So Monday, we could see another dip in this price. When you're looking at if I should buy a stock, you generally want to get in at a cheaper price. Right now, this stock could not be cheaper. It is at all-time lows. The short volume on Stockera is showing 42%. The sale volume is 8.5 million, and the long volume is 10.7 million. So there is more people that are long on the stock than are short. And honestly, when you look at the stock, we're talking about over 3 months, it's down 85%. Who is selling the stock? Most people that have already taken their losses, but they probably have already gotten out by now. So this week, whenever you're looking at it, the volume, I don't see it seeing it be as high as it's generally been, but we'll see. If it is, I see it being a lot more buying pressure than selling pressure or shorting pressure. But at $7, when you look at this stock, should I buy this stock? We'll look at Cinemark, a competitor. It's $16. So when you're looking at price value, this stock is a lot cheaper for a company that is 3 times the size and has 3 times the amount of employees. So I think when you're looking at it like that, yes, this is a good value right now at this price. So I just want to put a little bit of different perspective on it than maybe somebody else is covering, that there is a huge volume of people that are new coming into the stock. Not everybody has held the stock for the past couple of years. Not everybody has held the stock for more than a year. There are new people coming into the stock all the time. And especially with the new movie Dumb Money coming out, That's going to spark a lot of interest. With the split that happened with AMC, we probably lost some people, but we also probably gained some people, because sometimes negative news is good news. But my point is that we always have new people coming into the market and that have just heard about AMC, believe it or not. And they're asking themselves, should I buy this stock? Well, in my opinion, you should probably buy this stock. I would buy this stock at these prices. In my mind, this is cheap, and it's 85% off when you're looking at it on the month, and on the year, it's about 90% off. So if you're looking for a value, a deep value with a possibility to really go on a run here, really snap and rebound, it could have a lot of room to run. And when you're looking at the closing price with the short percentage, there's high short percentage still around 40 to 50% here. And you have the closing price way down here. So you still have a high short interest, but you have the closing price that keeps going down. And so whenever you have that, that's an inflection point, a path, or a pain point that it could snap either way. It could snap down some more here, or it could snap back violently. But I don't anticipate the short interest going down. I see it going up here and them suppressing the price further. So if you're looking at an entry point right now at $7, I think is a good value. All right. And I just wanted to throw this video out there for all the new people coming into AMC, looking at it and looking at what happened. Yes, it had a stock split, but I think whenever you're looking at a stock as the future looking brighter, is there a turnaround, and is the bad stuff over? And I think all of those is a yes right now. So I don't want to make this video too long. I just don't see a whole lot of bad news coming up in the future. I see it being brighter. And so for that, this company would be a turnaround and would be something that I would want to invest in. And I am going to continue to invest in it and buy more shares come up this week. So I'm excited for it. I hope you guys have a good weekend and strap in for this week, because it's going to be bumpy. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video.